To unlock your website's potential, optimize it to drive more traffic, engage your audience, and convert visitors into customers. Ensure your website is fully responsive on all devices. A large portion of users browse on mobile, so it must look and function well. Websites that load slowly lose visitors quickly. Optimize images and reduce unnecessary scripts to improve your site's speed. Make it easy for users to find what they need with clear, logical navigation. Simplify your menu for better accessibility. Regularly update your website with valuable blog posts and guides. This establishes your brand as an authority in your industry. Use relevant keywords throughout your content to improve search engine rankings. Tools can help you identify popular terms. High-quality images, videos, and infographics can make your content more engaging and shareable, enhancing your message. Make sure your calls to action stand out and guide visitors toward the next step in their journey, like buy now or sign up. Offer something of value in exchange for visitor information, like an ebook or discount, to help grow your email list. Regularly test your CTAs and landing pages to see which versions perform better in terms of conversions. Showcase testimonials from satisfied customers. Social proof builds trust and can be a powerful conversion tool. Create detailed case studies that demonstrate how your product or service solves problems. This gives potential customers a clear understanding of your value. Encourage users to share photos or posts about your product on social media and feature this content on your website. Install Google Analytics to track visitor behavior. Understand where your traffic is coming from, which pages are performing best, and where visitors are dropping off. Use tools like Hotjar or Crazy Egg to track how visitors interact with your website. These insights can help you make informed decisions about layout changes or content updates. Ensure your website has an SSL certificate indicated by HTTPS in the URL. This ensures secure transactions and builds trust with your visitors. Keep your website software, plugins, and security measures up to date to protect against potential vulnerabilities. Make it easy for visitors to sign up for your newsletter or opt in for special offers using pop-ups or embedded forms to collect email addresses. Use email campaigns to nurture leads and keep them engaged with your brand. Personalize your messages for better targeting. Connect your website with a CRM system to track leads, monitor interactions, and improve follow-up communications. An effective About page should communicate your brand's mission, values, and purpose. Tell the story behind your business and why you do what you do. Adding information about the people behind your business humanizes your brand and builds trust with your audience. If you have the budget, running paid ads can drive more targeted traffic to your site. Use Google Ads for search engine traffic and social media ads. Use remarketing ads to target visitors who have previously been to your website but didn't convert. This keeps your brand in their minds. Implement a live chat feature so visitors can get real-time assistance. It helps improve customer experience and can increase conversion rates. Offer interactive quizzes or surveys to engage users while collecting valuable data about their preferences and needs. Provide tools like calculators, templates, or assessments that visitors can use on your website. This drives traffic and encourages return visits. Offer free ebooks, white papers, or industry reports that require users to provide their email address. This can help grow your email list. By implementing these strategies, you will unlock your website's full potential, making it more engaging and capable of driving more business.
For digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!